Hello everyone, I welcome you all again in my new video. So today we'll see the analysis for Bank Nifty for tomorrow's expiry. So as you all know, the Bank Nifty is behaving in a quite weird manner nowadays. So first let's see how the Bank Nifty behaved today. So on the basis of that we'll decide the Bank Nifty move for tomorrow. So as you see in the last two trading sessions, actually the Bank Nifty is behaving is completely in a zigzag mode, and I believe like no chart, no patterns are working, because as I mentioned earlier as well, in case of any events, the Bank Nifty or in the market doesn't follow any kind of trend and it goes as per the event news. But we as a trader should always go with what is showing up in the chart and we should follow it. So as we have seen yesterday, there was almost a 4% gap up, and we could the Bank Nifty almost touched 38 300 levels, and today also it was able to sustain here, but it came down and gradually it came during the closing hours, it came till this level 37 800 levels. So as we see that it has become quite volatile market, and there is almost a big move in the market, almost more than 1500 1700 points move within in a intraday. So that's a quite big move, so it's become very difficult to be holding in one direction, or you cannot predict like the market will move in the same direction, because it is just reacting to the sentiments and to the news. So what I can suggest you for tomorrow is, first we'll see the levels which we are looking for. So as of now, if we see, this is the high point which we can see, and like above 38 400, that's what we are considering based on the charts, because that's what I mentioned, we completely go what the chart is showing. So that's what technical analysis is all about. So above 38 400 we can see a long in Bank Nifty, given the point that it sustains that levels and it is able to go above it. On the downside, we as we see, it has made a low up. On the downside, if we see, I have marked this level, this one, that is 37 800 levels or below this. So actually I have marked this complete zone till here, so 37 700. So if it goes beyond 37 700, we can see more a downward move. And if again because of any kind of news or event, it market breaks this level 37 700, then we can expect the next as 37 200. And if once it breaks this psychological level of 37,000, we can see a more downfall in Bank Nifty, and might be it can touch this levels as well. But what I would suggest you for tomorrow is, like, it's better, like if you're not an experienced trader, better to avoid trading in this kind of market, because it's quite risky, and an experienced trader as well loses money. As I have posted in my Twitter timeline as well, I have a loss in both these days. Today I was able to minimize my loss, but I was almost in a profit of 1.5L, but I ultimately booked around 43k loss. So because that sudden moves couldn't I couldn't like exit my positions accordingly, and that's why I booked loss there. So that's what I'm saying, that if you're not confident enough to adjust your position, exit your position, or are not clear about the trend, because this market is not behaving in a very like one direction move or maybe flat. So it's behaving like this. You can see it's a very volatile market, and we cannot expect, and there are like big moves within intraday itself. So for a intraday player as well, I would suggest that becomes little risky. For carrying overnight position, of course I would say it's not better to carry only overnight position till the market settles and give a clear direction, because even the charts are not working as per the analysis. But we already have our levels, and as I always mention, whatever is shown in the chart, just go with it and just try to play it. And one more important thing is your risk management. So always manage your risk. If you see you are losing more than 1 to 2% of your capital, just go and exit your position, because you should not give more than this in your capital. So that's what I always mention, your RR should always be in check. So that's what I want to mention in this video. So thank you everyone, and I hope you like the video. If you like the video, you can subscribe to my channel and share it with the ones who may be interested in bank nifty related trades. So thank you everyone. See you again in my next video. Thank you.